Imagine a planet where it rains glass. Sideways. It's not science fiction. It's HD 1-8-9-7-3-3D. An exoplanet 63 light-years away. This giant, the size of Jupiter, is so close to its star that a year lasts only 2.2 Earth days. Can you imagine how fast that is? Temperatures soar over 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. But the craziest thing is the weather. Silicate, or glass, rains horizontally at over 5,400 miles per hour. The high winds are to blame. Doesn't it sound wild and extreme to you? A unique world to think about.